Mate, what have you done to your car?
That was my dad's idea.
That was my dad's idea. Are you ready for this? Mate, what is going on? What is this? So, these are your new wheels?
Yep.
Yeah, pretty sick. Honda Integra wheels.
Yep.
What specs are they, bro?
They're too small.
They're too small spec. Very nice. I like the way you put a bag there because it's not moving. This is your new swimming pool hot tub that you're designing for the back, jacuzzi for the back of the car. It's going to look quite nice. Nice bit of tape there as well, mate.
Yep.
Really like the idea of that.
These were my dad's edition.
Ideas.
Nice.
Ideas right here.
Nice.
Not collecting too much water though for the jacuzzi. So
Aero, isn't it? Aero.
Aero, that's what that is. But seriously, these are in paint. The boot's in paint at the moment, I think.
Should be picking up next week, I think.
Yeah, and then this is in paint as well.
Yeah.
That's not bad. So we're actually going through the car because Josh has got his new wheels. How long does these take? How long does these take?
5 months, I think.
5 months?
Yeah. Patient.
You are very patient because there's no way I could last that long waiting for wheels, but I think we need to show you guys what they look like.
1 pack of Haribo.
You got 1 pack of Haribo
Yeah.
after all that time. So these are the wheels in question. Very excited to see what these look like.
So we'll go for
after all.
ones,
Yeah, we'll go for the biggies, the ones that are going to sit on the back of the S15. Oh, look at the colour! Oh, they look good. So what spec are we talking?
18 by 10.5.
Oh.
And then
10.5, bloody hell, mate.
Offset's 15.
15, that's not too bad. So they're going to sit on the back of the car
Just like that.
with the wide arches. That's going to look good with the paint as well, the red with the sort of bronzy effect. Yeah, see, look at that. And what are the wheels? They're Work Emotion 18 inch.
I think they're Ultimate Kawamis or something.
Ultimate Japanese or something. JDMpoints.com. Shout out Driftworks.
Work Emotion CR Ultimate Kawami.
There we go, that's what they're called. I can't say that, so I'm not going to say it. But yeah, wheels have come through, 5 months it has taken. Are they from Japan then? Full on? Yeah, they're full on from Japan, full on.
Had to be custom made.
Ah, so you can't actually buy these from
not
off the shelf. Yeah, so they had to actually be made. Custom wheels, custom sizes, bro. You've even got Japanese little things in here. Look at this.
They're centre caps.
They're centre caps. Oh, little Japanese bits.
I went red to go red.
Oh, that's actually a really nice contrast against that colour with the red centre. Yeah, look at that. They're gonna look sick. So, bit of a big change actually from the original wheels you had on it, because Stish and Concave is a different moment, isn't it? So, I like this idea though. It's gonna look really good, obviously, with the boot being on and the skirts and the flowing into the vision. The vision isn't quite here at the moment because you've got a hot tub in the back of it, but I can see the vision, especially with those wheels. Visions. Mine's blown with these wheels. So those are the wheels. They finally come through. Josh is very happy about this, aren't you? I'm really happy about it as well.
After all the waiting.
After all that wait, you've even got some Japanese paperwork in there. That's so legit.
And then we've got.
So yeah, obviously
can we do the theme tune?
We could, yeah. Should we do Adam's theme tune? We better not. I won't, mate. I won't do it. I won't do it. Shout out 61. These are actually on offer at the moment, I think. If you would like a set, 61.com.
Oh, we could lay them in, couldn't we?
Let's. Oh yeah, let's lay them in. Look at the Neochrome. I think they are, aren't they? Yeah. See, look at the contrast.
Oh, you give me all the locking ones.
Oh yeah. Well, I would, wouldn't I? There you go. Have a normal one instead. Yeah. Look at that. They look cool, don't they? That's going to look cool with the red centre, obviously on a red car as well. I've got an air freshener in there as well, look at that.
Put it in the Golf.
Rep hard, rep hard. Oh, put that in the Golf?
Yeah.
What is this?
Free, innit?
It's free out, well, but it's not for dubs, it's for Japanese whips. So yeah, they're going to look really good on the car. Shout out 61 again. Very nice little packaging as well. Nice little Honda on there to make you cry about your Honda that you don't have anymore.
Every time.
Every time. Those wheels look sick though. Really interested to see what size tyres are you going. Actually, oh yeah, let's go to the shed. Fast forward this part. Unlock, unlock, unlock. Into the shed.
There they are.
And you have the tyres. So these are the tyres from the last set of wheels.
Yeah.
And you're going to use the same sizes, obviously.
Yeah.
What sizes were they, and what tyres are they?
Front's 235 40 18, rear's 255 40 18.
Okay, you're still going to get a little stretch on the back, I'm assuming. Only like a little bit, just to tuck it in a bit. They're going to look sick though.
Yeah.
These,
Still not sure.
the actual canards, you're not sure about them. I think everything should go on and then you should decide. I think that.
Rip it all off.
Yeah, and then rip it all off by going over a speed bump or whatever you're going to
This
do.
as well.
What's that?
Chase bait from America.
Ooh, America.
Fix my power steering leak.
Yeah.
So we've got all nice AN lines and everything.
Them lines are nice, aren't
Yeah.
they? Wow. Very nice product right there. So shout out those guys. That's a
Been
nice
too cold
product.
to work. I haven't fitted anything on it.
That's nice. At least I don't have a car to put that on, but it's nice. So if anyone wants to buy this, oh yeah, Christmas present. If anyone wants to buy this is still for sale, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think.
I've been very lazy.
Been very lazy. Well, you've been busy. It's been Christmas. But if anybody wants this wing, let Josh know. He wants the
Sell
correct.
everything.
He sells the correct stuff for the correct price. So I think the pricing for that is exactly where it should be. No, I'm not going to put this on the Fiesta.
Yeah, you are.
Should I put that on the Fiesta? Comment below if I should put that on the Fiesta. That'd be hilarious. Another thing to add is that Josh is going to sell the Golf.
Wow.
You haven't had it too long, but I think you want a different daily. I think that was the idea, wasn't it? So it's actually gleaming. He's just cleaned it as well in front of me.
My mileage has pretty much tripled recently.
Yeah, so I think this car becomes slightly irrelevant if you're trying to do too much mileage in it. Not that you can't, but I just think you want a diesel, bigger, four-door.
Money.
Yeah, and you want to save money in there. Yeah, I want to save money for car parts. So if anybody would like this car, it is bloody awesome. We're going to do a review on it at some point as well before it goes. The wheels, everything's on it. Interior. It doesn't come with these scatter cushions from Dunhill Mill. They're not included. They're going back because you pay too much for them. But they are not included in the sale. But this is actually for sale right now. Air rides, wheels, interior.
Is that a respray?
It's had a respray as well. Got nice headlights in the front. We'll put a link in the comments.
Nice
It is just that is a genuinely nice car, but a lot of people said I should buy it. But again, I would absolutely destroy that with the amount of stuff that I do put in cars.
Fiestas, don't you?
What is this? What is this? What is this? Ganging up on me here. My first Ford purchase and you're ganging up on me. But yeah, unfortunately, I'm not in a position to use this as a daily driver because I would absolutely destroy it. That is the actual truth. And I don't think anybody in the VW community would like me to destroy quite a nice car like that either.
Yeah, they would.
Yeah, they would. They'd love it. Actually, should I buy it and then buy the wing for the back and just put it on the back?
Yep.
That'd be quite funny, wouldn't it? Bag goes in the back of the car on the boot build there. I like that although this is, you know, a daily,
Daily, innit?
look at that,
What
repping the F with dirt as well.
Overall.
And stuff over there.
Sword,
See,
hammers.
it's a show car, but it has the practicality side as well. Practicality. Oh, it's nice and clean in here. Look at this. Oh, 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 that's very nice. Yeah, all these seats. Look at the seats. Look at this. Look at this material and the leather and. Ooh, ooh, indeed. Ooh. So Josh is actually going to take me home now because air ride. Oh, let's go cool in here, aren't we? Oh damn. He's going to take me home because I don't have any cars at the moment. The BMW's gone back to the company that gave it to me for a bit. The Lexus has sold. I'm going to do a proper video on that, I think, because not a lot of people know what the hell is going on. Nor do I at the moment, that's the thing. Really. This leaves a very important question for the end of this video. What should I buy next as a daily driver?
I sent you far too many.
You have sent me a lot of daily driver related cars. It has to be comfortable because I've got a bad back. Automatic because I do 40,000 miles in a manual car a year. It ain't happening. I'm not doing it. It has to be, you know, relatively inexpensive on the old petrol side, I think.
All the diesel I sent you hated them.
Yeah, but I don't really want a diesel because I don't want to conform to the diesel trend that's going on right now.
I've seen a lot of people.
Yeah, I know, and it's like I don't really want to be a part of that. But I don't mind being a part of it because, you know, it would save me a considerable amount of money on petrol. But budget-wise, although, you know, I don't really want to finance anything, I reckon 6 or 7 grand is a good ballpark figure, especially for used cars. So leave a comment below. Me and Josh have been chatting constantly about what I should get, but it's dailyable. It's probably not something that's going to see the channel a lot, and it's not going to be anything that's going to light your hair on fire either. It's just going to be something that can get me to shoots. That's the idea.
I send you a lot of V8 and stuff.
Yeah, like, I'm like, yeah, I want that, but maybe not.
5 litres.
Yeah, 5 litres and supercharged stuff. But we won't be buying that, unfortunately. Well, I might accidentally fall into a V8, that's the problem. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. Anyway, leave a comment below from me and Josh. It's see you later. We're going to go and have some food and other stuff. Cheers, guys.
Things and stuff.
Things and stuff.